Hello friends, this is Rahul Mengde. Welcome to my channel. Please like and subscribe my channel and hit bell icon for latest updates. In this video, I am going to write a program to print day of week by taking number from 1 to 7 by using switch case statement. So as we know, there are 7 days in a week, so 7 cases are there and one default case is there. If we enter the value except 1 to 7, right? So the program is started with two header files, stdio.h, conio.h, because it consists of different functions like printf, scanf, clear screen, get ch, etc. Then main function. After that, one integer variable is declared, that is n, because to consider the case 1, case 2, case 3, the n is used. Then clear screen, to clear the output screen, this function is used. And to display the message enter one number, this printf function is used, which displays this message on the output screen. Then type specifier is there, %d, because n is integer, that's why % is used, and to store that value in n, scanf function is used. After that, switch of n means if the 1 is entered by user, that means switch off 1, so the control goes to case 1 because n is equal to 1, that's why control goes to case 1. So it will print Sunday, okay, and then it will execute break statement, right, and it will come out from the loop, okay. Then if the n is equal to 4, that means switch off 4, so the control goes to case 4, it will print Wednesday. And if the entered value by user is except 1 to 7, that means if 8 is entered by user, then switch off 8, it will go to default case and it will print invalid number because that number is not valid. Valid numbers are from 1 to 7, right? If except 1 to 7 anyone enter the value, then it consider default case, right? So it will print invalid number. Then get ch, right? So compile the program, then run the program. Suppose 1, so at case 1 it will print Sunday. You can observe here on the output screen Sunday is there, correct. If the case is suppose 8, then 8 is invalid number, okay. Thank you.